In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cash or accrual view in Xero Business Snapshot. We're going to walk through a simple way to switch between cash and accrual accounting views inside Xero's Business Snapshot. This is helpful if you want to compare how your business is tracking based on when money actually moves versus when invoices are issued or bills are received. Cash shows activity when payments are made or received, while accrual shows activity when income is earned and expenses are incurred, regardless of payment timing. Being able to toggle between them gives you a clearer picture of performance and cash flow. Start by logging into Xero. Once you're in, go to the main menu and click Reporting. From there, open Business Snapshot. This dashboard brings your key financial metrics together in one place, including revenue, expenses, profit, and trends over time. Inside Business Snapshot, look for the Accounting Basis dropdown. It's typically near the top of the page and may display accrual by default, depending on your organization's settings. Click the Accrual drop-down menu to reveal your options. You'll see two choices, cash and accrual. Select the one you want to view. If you're analyzing how your business is performing based on actual money movement, choose cash. If you're focusing on performance based on when income is earned and costs are incurred, choose accrual. After you make your selection, give Xero a moment to refresh the business snapshot data. The page will update automatically, and you'll notice the figures and charts adjust to reflect your chosen basis. This refresh ensures the totals, margins, and comparisons align with the view you've selected. Now review the updated financial analytics. Look at trends, profit, and any changes in revenue and expense lines. If you're comparing performance, switch back and forth between cash and accrual to see how timing impacts your results. For example, you might see stronger cash results right after a big payment run, while accrual may spread those costs or income across the period they relate to. Use the refreshed view to inform decisions like forecasting, budgeting, and assessing short-term cash needs. If you don't see Business Snapshot, it may be due to user permissions or your subscription plan. In that case, check with your organization's administrator. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can confidently switch between cash and accrual views in Xero Business Snapshot and compare your financial performance from both perspectives. This quick toggle helps you understand what's happening now and what's been earned or incurred so you can make smarter, more timely decisions.